Hello and welcome back to the channel. Once again, my name is Charlie, your local real estate professional here in the beautiful city of LA. Now in today's video, we're going to talk about what for most people is a highly sensitive subject, credit. So stay tuned. Now, I'm going to quickly share a personal story and some facts regarding credit. Now, this is by no way legal advice, but this applies whether you're looking to finance an item on credit, whether it be purchasing a car or purchasing a home. This applies to all facets in which credit is a component to you getting that item. And once again, this is not legal advice. Quick little background check on myself. I've helped hundreds of people obtain credit. I used to work at CarMax, and we helped customers through the entire car buying process, including walking them through every single hurdle and stipulation of the finance process. And I currently work in real estate. And of course, we guide clients through the financing process in order to obtain that mortgage to buy that home. So, yeah. Alright, so quick story. This past weekend, I was helping a customer finance an item. Now, it was a mother and daughter. I was introduced to them, and from the beginning, I could tell the daughter was a little crazy on the phone. She was exaggerating. We were trying to get the mother this item. However, the mother's credit was frozen, couldn't access her account. She got denied. So the daughter ended up using her credit in order to obtain a certain item for her mom, which is fine. Not a huge purchase, but definitely one that required accessing her daughter's account, her credit. And so we got her mom that item done. Now it was the daughter's turn. However, towards the end of the transaction, there were some technical difficulties. And so we ran the credit once for her mom, then we ran it for the daughter. And due to technical difficulties, which were not my fault, we had to run it a third time. Now, by the third time, the daughter's application got denied. And so, of course, being, the little crazies that they were, went berserk, trying to make a scene. And it was just a hairy situation. So I want to quickly address this situation. She was claiming that, she was first of all, she was acting like a privileged, entitled little brat. She was saying, oh, I can't get this item because of this, because of that. And you ruined my credit score. How could you have told me this and that? I had a perfect score and now it's all ruined. And I was like, shut your fucking mouth. I want to quickly address this. Now, here are the facts. That was the story. Here are the facts. And this is directly from the CFPB, which stands for Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. This is directly from their website. And what they are is a government agency. When you go to their website, I'll link it down below, it says .gov at the end of their URL. They are a government agency that makes sure that creditors, banks, and lenders treat consumers fairly. This is directly from their website. Quote unquote, within 45 days, you can run your credit as many times as necessary, and it will only count as one inquiry. But Charlie, Credit Karma just emailed me. They just told me that my credit was run 5 times. Listen, creditors understand that you're going to be comparison shopping. that you're going to be running your credit multiple times to get what? The best interest rate, the best loans, the best financing terms. They understand this. So within that window, 45 days, you can run your credit as many times as necessary, and it's only going to count as one inquiry. So no matter how many lenders you consult or run your credit with, the impact is going to be the same. All right? In the real estate world, during the pre-approval process, when you're out shopping for a pre-approval, your credit is going to be ran at least twice, minimum. Once during the beginning of the approval process, and again just before closing. And your credit may be run a third time in the middle if it's necessary. So do not trip potato chip. All right? So I just wanted to quickly say that because a lot of people are, again, very sensitive when it comes to their credit being run multiple times. If you are in the car industry, if you're in the real estate industry, you're going to hear this objection come up a bunch of times. So do not fear. The Consumer Protection Bureau is here. So I just wanted to quickly share that. I'll leave a link below. Again, thank you for liking this video. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for subscribing. And I'll see you on the next one.